Hello guys, today my content is boat floating experiment with two kind of motors. Now let's check first motor. Motor power is not suitable for this boat. Now I am installing a tiny drawn cordless motor. Wow, it's floating slowly because motor size is small. Hope you guys like my today content. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.